Good morning everyone. My name is Kavish
And my name is Devansh.
and our innovation project is called SAFARH. It is an accident preventer and it falls in the category of development. So here we have an ultrasonic sensor and the brain, two wheels, two motors and also the structure which will be the car.
If a driver has gone for a long drive and is feeling sleepy or is drowsy and he has no control over the vehicle, and if any car comes in front of his or her car, this device will stop that car automatically.
So this is how it works. So the car has stopped automatically, and for demonstration purpose we have made the car stop for 10 seconds. This project can save many lives. Thank you.